Position trading is all about the fundamentals. Very important for you to understand the country's economic data and their outlook going forward. So if you're the type of person who turns on the news and you're easily persuaded by Bloomberg, CNBC, or the talking heads and all the stories that they're always talking about, because remember, every event needs a story, then this more than likely would not be for you, because you're going to be the one that's probably more high risk, volatile, and that's probably your more trading style. A position trader, like I said, they're long term and they have deep pockets. I'm talking a few $100,000 into the millions to survive the swings in the market. So let's go to the charts and let's rewind time. I want to look at the euro versus sterling, also known as a cross pair. So on my screen here, I have it up. Let's look back. If you took a position back in November of 2015 and held on until November 2017, approximately 2 years, you would have some serious profits in your bank. Okay, but look what you would have had to go through in order to receive those profits. So if you didn't have the patience to sit there while the market went up, went down, then this probably is not the strategy for you. Okay, so naturally, you're gonna wanna skip class on this one too, because it's not gonna be the one for you. All right, so the moral of the story is very simple. If you have deep pockets and you don't mind holding on to positions and you're not easily persuaded by news, then this is for you. All right, if you're impatient or if you just wanna see your money quickly, if you wanna see some profits, then you might want to stick to more day trading or swing trading. That's probably going to be the area for you. But once again, guys, thanks for watching, and remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another update from us. Go to forexassettrading.com, receive your buy, your sell signals directly from us, and let us handle the risk management. Thanks for watching.